Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see 4-digit and 5-digit subtraction. Okay. Okay. Let's see practice 3. Subtract. In each case, check the answer by addition. Okay, first we have to subtract it and then we have to check the answer. So here is 32,150. Okay. Now we have to check this answer. Is it correct or not? Okay. To check the answer, first we have to take the answer first. Okay. $32,150. Okay. Then remaining this one, 26,582. Here we have to add. Okay. So 58,732. Understood? We have to get this number, first number. Okay, this is the method of checking the answer, subtraction check. Okay. Understood? This is about subtract and check. Next, do as directed. Subtract 4,990 from 55,434. We have to subtract this. Subtract 9,990 from 55,434 minus 4,990. $50,444. Next, subtract 12,345 from 50,000. Minus 12,345. 12,345. I hope you know this method. So we have to take, we don't have, there's no value for 0, so we have to take it from here. From here to, it will come here, so it become 10. Then 10, this will come here, this become 10. Okay, this again we had to borrow from this here to here, this become 10. Again borrow from here to here, this become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. So we are given here, it's 9 now. Okay, from this we have borrow from here. So it will 9. 9 minus 4. So here 9 minus 4, 5. Here we are taking this 10 from here. So now it's become 9. 9 minus 3, 6. Here also we are taking this 1 from this 10. So this 10 become now, it's 9. 9 minus 2, 7. So here it's a 4. It's already given to 1. So 4 minus 1, 3. 37,655. 37,655. Next, find the difference between 23,000 and 9,999. Okay, this is 23,000 and 9,999 minus we are taking one from this 3. Okay, so it will become 10, and from this 10 to here going, it's 9. It will now it's become 10. So from this 10 to it's going here, so it's 9 now. So 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 2. We can't subtract 2 from 9, so again we have to borrow from here. It's 12. 12 minus 9, 3. This 1. 13,001. 13,001. Okay. Next, Find the difference between 35,287 and 47,363. 47,363, 35,287. $12,073. Understood? Next, during the Pushkar Camel Fair, 12,345 visitors attended the event on the first day. On the second day, 9,876 visitors attended. How many more visitors attended the fair on the first day than on the second day? So, on the first day, they visited 12,345 visitors. On the second day, they visited 9,876. So we have to subtract this. Two four six nine 2,469. 2,469 more visitors attended on the first day than on the second day. Okay. Next, during the Pushkar Camel Fair, a merchant started with 7,890 handcrafted goods. By the last day, he had sold 2,457 items. How many handcrafted goods does he have left? So, merchant started the handcraft goods on 7,890. So he bought 7,890 handcrafts. So in that he sold 2,457. So minus it. So how many handcraft does he have left? He left 5,433. Okay. Next. In a recent event at Chittorgarh Fort, there were 8,734 tourists visited on one day. If the total number of tourists visiting over the week was 55,890, how many tourists visited on the other days? So in a week, how many visitors visited? 55,000 890. So on the first one day they visited 8,734. So you have to minus this. For 47,156. 47,156 visited on the others day. Next, the Chittorgarh fort originally had 25,000 bricks used to build its walls. Due to some damage, 6,745 bricks were removed for repair. How many bricks are left in the walls? So totally it's 25,000 bricks are there. In that they removed 6,745. $18,255. So how many bricks are left? 18,255. Next, the Chittorgarh fort has 7,825 steps leading up to the main palace. If a group of tourists climbed 5,307 steps, how many steps are left for them to reach the palace? So the total number of steps in the palace forts are main palace raised to 4 idide 7,825. In that, if a group of tourists climbed up to 5,307, $2,518 steps. 2,518. Okay. Next, a group of camel traders brought 5,432 camels to the Pushkar Camel Fair. By the end of the fair, they had sold 3,219 camels. How many camels? How many camels do they have left? In the camel fair, they bought 5,432. In that, 3,219 were sold. $2,211. So how many camels left? 2,211. Okay, understood? $2,211 camels left. Next, tomorrow we will see addition and subtraction together. Okay, thank you.